Yo guys, Dino Jake here. Just want to do a quick IRL Halloween video. Just got some fireworks here. I just want to show you. These are firecrackers. They're really small, pinner. Got a couple packs of Hummers. Yeah. Got some mini air bombs. A couple packs of mini air bombs. Got some normal air bombs. Got a few of those. Then I got this. It's a dragon bomb. It's basically just an air bomb, except it's a tiny bit quieter and blows up in a star. These are spinning bullets. They're basically like dancing devils, except they spin like a top. These are just dancing devils. I got some skyrockets. Single stage and 3-stage. Got quite a bit of them. I got 2 more bricks over there. That's about it, guys.